There are a few ways you can create silence in Audacity. So one easy method is, let's say you want this portion to be silent. You can select this portion, you can go to Effect, go to Amplify, and amplify it by minus 50 decibels. That's the maximum negative amplification you can apply. If it's not enough, if you see in the waveform that it's not completely silent, you can do another amplification, again by minus 50, and it should work. And yeah, now we have a silent part right here. Otherwise, you can insert silence by generating it. So click anywhere on your audio track, go to generate silence, and you can choose how long you want that silence to be. Click generate. For me, 15 seconds is fine, and I can truncate it now if I want to. So I'll make it shorter. And let's say you want to have it inserted right here. You're gonna split clip. You can move that clip around, put them all nicely together. And now you can either choose, you can either click Control A or just select all your audio clips. And if you want to, you can join them. So there's a single nice clip with this generated silence right here.